If your dealership is not using a geofencing, geo-targeting, or a conquesting tactic for lead generation, it should be. Why? Because consumers are growing more and more location conscious, and these tactics can put your dealership front and center while they are actively shopping, making you and your dealership the obvious choice. Well, let's get started with geofencing and how it works. Now, what exactly is a geofence? A geofence is a virtual geographic boundary that is defined by either GPS or some other location-based technology. Now, in simple terms, just think of it like an invisible fence, and you can put that fence anywhere you want your ads running. Now, when a mobile device crosses through the fence, the geofence will actually trigger a response, hopefully your ad. Now, dealers who use geofencing can offer special incentives to customers who are in that area. Those ads will not run outside of the fence. For example, you can establish a geofence around one of your competitors and encourage shoppers to visit your dealership for a better deal. Now, to launch a geofence campaign, you will need to set this up and buy ads from either an ad network or some sort of digital ad provider. And a possible downside could be these guys do have minimum ad buys, but the technology is there and the results can be pretty fantastic for your dealership. Next up, geo-targeting. Now, as the name implies, this is where you target your ads to run in a specific geographic location. Geo-targeting refers to the practice of delivering different ads or different content to consumers based on their geographic location. Now, in paid search campaigns, geo-targeting is often used to advertise to local prospects. Pretty much all of the digital and social media providers will allow you to specify a location or even an entire set of locations as the only areas that you'll want your ads to show up in. Now, I firmly believe that geo-targeting is an essential for any automotive marketing campaign, as consumers are only willing to travel certain distances to buy what it is that you sell.